Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making Coronation cupcakes. In my bowl I'm going to beat together butter and caster sugar. I'm now going to beat in 2 beaten eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If it starts to curdle, you can add a tablespoon of flour. I'm now going to fold in my flour. I have filled my cupcake tin with cupcake cases. These are the cases that I have used. I'm now going to take my cake mixture and place them into my cupcake cases. I'm now going to bake my cupcakes for 15 to 20 minutes or until they have risen and gone golden brown. I have already preheated my oven to 180 degrees. Now my cupcakes have cooled, I'm going to cut out a circle in the middle. Keep that piece of cake to one side. I'm using my thumb and my index finger to create a deep hole. I'm now going to take a teaspoon and fill my hole slightly with some raspberry jam. And I'm going to take my pieces of cake and push them back into the middle. I'm now going to make my buttercream icing. First, I'm going to beat my butter. I'm now going to add in my icing sugar and beat it with the butter. I'm now going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. my icing into an icing bag. I'm now going to pipe my icing on top of my cupcakes. I'm then going to take my sprinkles and sprinkle them on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.